Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about clearing the YouTube Music app cache on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Google Pixel or Samsung Galaxy or another Android-based phone, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the Settings gear button and then go down and select the Apps tile and then select where it says See All Apps, and then go down and locate the YouTube Music app on this list. Select that, and then you want to select the Storage and Cache tile, and then select Clear Cache up at the top right, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.